In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic PDF stamp with pop-up window in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll have a custom stamp that asks for information in a pop-up and automatically fills it into the stamp when you place it. First, design the visual look of your stamp. You can use Word, Photoshop, Illustrator, whatever you're comfortable with. Lay out static labels like name, date, or comments exactly where you want them to appear. When you're happy with it, export or save that design as a PDF. Keep the layout clean and leave enough space for the information you'll collect later. Next, create the custom stamp inside Acrobat Pro. Open Acrobat, go to Tools, then Stamp, choose Custom Stamps, and click Create. Browse to the PDF you just exported and select it. In the Create Custom Stamp dialog, set the category to something like Dynamic so it's easy to find later, give your stamp a clear name, and click OK. Acrobat will generate a stamp file behind the scenes and store it in your Stamps folder. Now edit that stamp file to add fields for user input. Open the stamp PDF in Acrobat and switch to Tools, then Prepare Form. Place text fields where the responses should appear, over the name line, the date line, and any other areas you planned. Give each field a simple, unique name and adjust properties like font size and multi-line if needed so the text fits nicely. With the fields in place, attach the JavaScript that will trigger the pop-up prompts. In Prepare Form, double-click a field and go to the Calculate tab. Choose Custom Calculation Script and click Edit. Use App Response to ask the user for input, then assign that value to the field. For example, you can prompt for a name and set event. Value to what the user typed. Repeat the approach for each field you want to populate. Keep prompts short and clear, and consider providing default text to guide users. Save your changes to the stamp PDF and restart Acrobat, so it recognizes the update. Open any normal PDF, go to Stamp, then your custom or dynamic category, and select your new stamp. When you place it, Acrobat will display the pop-ups you scripted, collect the responses, and fill the fields inside the stamp automatically. If the prompts don't appear, make sure JavaScript is enabled in Acrobat's preferences. That's it. You've created a dynamic stamp with a pop-up workflow that's fast, consistent, and easy to reuse across documents,